In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of signing up for Adidas affiliate program. By joining this program, you can promote Adidas products and earn commissions for each sale made through your referral links. So let's get started. Open your browser and search for Adidas affiliate and click on first link, which should lead you to Adidas affiliate program page. Once on the Adidas affiliate program page, click on Apply Now button. You will be redirected to Impact website, which hosts Adidas affiliate program. If you don't have Impact account, fill out a registration form with your details, including your name, email, and username. For website field, enter the URL of your primary platform for promoting affiliate links. For example, YouTube or other social media. Choose your country and select your business model. Provide information about your promotional channels such as website, mobile apps, or social networks. If applicable, enter URLs of your platforms. Review contract terms and conditions. Click on Sign Up or Continue button to submit your application. If you already have Impact account, log in using your credentials. Review contract terms and conditions again. After submitting your application, you will be redirected to Impact dashboard. Navigate to Settings section to add your PayPal or bank account information for receiving payments. Approval typically takes a few days. Once approved, you can access Adidas affiliate program from your dashboard and create affiliate links for promoting Adidas products.